Welcome back to Easy Wellness Channel, where we share valuable information about health and well-being. In today's video, we will talk about several vitamins that can help repair our nerves. Our nervous system is in charge of sending messages from our brain to different parts of our bodies. Have you ever had your hands, feet, or other parts of your body go numb, tingle, or feel weak? These symptoms could be signs of nerve damage, which can be caused by things like an injury, an infection, or a lack of certain nutrients. Luckily, a number of vitamins can help fix nerve damage and keep it from getting worse. Let's dive in and learn about these vitamins. Make sure you stick to the end of the video and leave a comment what you think. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Vitamin B1. Thiamine. This vitamin is important for nerves to work well. It helps make myelin, which is the protective coating around our nerves. Whole grains, nuts, and legumes are all good places to get vitamin B1. It helps your body make energy and is a key part of how nerves work. Vitamin B2. Riboflavin. Another important nutrient for our nerves is vitamin B2. It helps the body make energy and keep nerve cells in good shape. Eggs, milk, and leafy greens are all good places to get vitamin B2. Vitamin B6. Pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is a key part of making neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that send signals from one nerve cell to another. Fish, chicken, and whole grains are all good ways to get vitamin B6. Vitamin B9. Folate. Folate is needed for all new cells to grow, including nerve cells. It also helps make chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters. Folate can be found in foods like leafy greens, beans, and grains that have been fortified. Vitamin B12. Cobalamin. Our nervous system can't work right without enough vitamin B12. It helps the brain make myelin and the body make red blood cells. Meat, fish, and dairy are all good places to get vitamin B12. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is also important for nerve health because it's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your nerves from damage. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits like oranges, as well as in strawberries, kiwis, and many other fruits and vegetables. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerves. It helps in the absorption of calcium, which is necessary for nerve function. Good sources of vitamin D include sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified dairy products. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects our nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Vitamin K. Blueberries and other berries are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in nerve cell formation and repair. Vitamin K is also found in leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the development and maintenance of your nervous system, and it's found in many orange and yellow vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and pumpkins. In conclusion, incorporating these vitamins into our diet can help repair and maintain healthy nerves. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine.